my outdoor kitchen, I selected the Natura color with Dekton by Cosentino. I selected Dekton by Cosentino countertops because they're scratch resistant and stain resistant, and they can hold up to being outdoors as well as being beautiful. I love that I don't have to worry about scratching it with a knife, spilling red wine on it. You can even catch it on fire and it will be just fine. I appreciate the functionality of Dekton by Cosentino countertops being scratch and stain resistant, but also having the beauty of an indoor countertop outside that's able to withstand the elements. I love that Dekton by Cosentino is a carbon neutral product. I think sustainability is something that we should all take into consideration these days when making our purchases. I selected the Dekton Natura color for my countertops because I love that it has color and movement to it, but the base of it is white, so it really makes all of my food and drinks pop.